No fucking blouse up, bitch, I make it rain shower. You did that. They wanna know a thing about you. You still that.
Right, so in this video, I'm going to show you the supplier that I've been using for over a year. It's probably the most reliable supplier I've ever used in my life. They're extremely responsive and really legit. So they're called CJ Dropshipping. So it's the CJDropshipping.com. So they're basically a Chinese fulfillment center that's got warehouses in USA and also China. So they usually ship out their products within 48 hours, and you can often get much cheaper prices on CJ Dropshipping than AliExpress. So I recommend going ahead and using CJ Dropshipping if you have a product that's selling consistently well. It's still alright to test products using AliExpress, that's fine, but if you get a product that's selling and you want a reliable shipment service, then I'd recommend using CJ Dropshipping. So to sign up, you just go to CJDropshipping.com, click source up here, and that will bring you to this page. And then there'll be like a sign up button here. You want to click sign up. Then you want to go ahead and install the CJ Dropshipping app. So when you get the CJ Dropshipping app, you should be assigned like a sourcing agent. So this is my sourcing agent down here. I'm going to blur out her face, but basically open this chat up down here and get them on Skype. It's good to start building a relationship with them on Skype, and if anything happens, they're really responsive and they reply quickly. But what my process is with my VAs now, right? Say if we find a product that we want on AliExpress, we'll import that product from AliExpress into our store using a Burlo. And then if the product is selling well, then we'll put in a sourcing request for CJ Dropshipping to go and source that product separately. So if you go down to sourcing here, you can see that we've got status here. So sourcing success means they've found the product and they've connected it to your store. And on sourcing means that the product is uploaded in Shopify, but CJ Dropshipping is currently finding that product. To post a sourcing request, it's pretty easy. You just click post sourcing request, and then you can either choose an existing product or an individual product. So you can do it this way, like say if you find a product in AliExpress, you can put all the product name and everything here manually, or what I do instead is I just upload the product to my store, right, using like a Burlo, and then I just go store existed product, and then you can just choose whatever the product is here, which is, in my view, quicker. And then you go submit, then your agent will go ahead and source that product, and it will appear here. All right, so I'm going to show you how now to fulfill orders using CJ Dropshipping. So you want to go into Dropshipping Center, and if you've connected your products using the CJ app and a customer orders the product, they should appear here on process required. So what you want to do here, you can see like the shipping costs here in this column. You can choose your shipping method. I'd always go e-packet unless in some e-packet won't send. So we've got like FedEx Smart in some of these rows here. So what you want to do is to fulfill all the orders, I just usually go here to select them all, and I click add to cart, and I go confirm, and then they'll come up in cart. So go to this tab here, and then all you want to do now is they're all selected. You just go final amount, confirm down here, and it should take you to the payment method that you set up. So you just click on this and go pay, and then you can pay with like PayPal or credit card or whatever you want. And so then you just choose your payment method and then go ahead and pay it, and then click pay.
I did some wrong, but I'm always right. So I know how to shoot, and I know how to fight. If I tell you once, I'll tell you twice.